All right, hey there everyone. I got my 2018 Mustang Ecoboost right here. And today in the mail, I just got some Steeda progressive sport lowering springs. So today I'm basically gonna be showing you a before and after of what the Steeda progressive performance springs look like for your Mustang Ecoboost before and after. So let's go ahead and get a cold start. I'll bring it out and then I'll talk to you about the before. All right, so I parked her out here. Now, I've pretty much done everything that I've wanted to do with the car. So when I got it as a premium. So I've got the 18-inch rims that come with it. I've had the no spoiler, or the little spoiler that the EcoBoost gives you. It's not even really a spoiler. But yeah, so I've had it for a little over a year. And basically, I've pretty much done everything I wanted to it. I went to Ford, I got the wing. And then I got it painted, got it put on. Got the rims. All right, so they're the original. They're a takeoff of a new GT, basically a GT performance pack. So they're 275s in the back, 255s in the front, and they're the same rims that match. So I'm really glad that I got a new pair of tires and a new pair of rims for a really good price. And the whole point was just to make it look like a performance pack. I really like that look. So the only thing that came with it was whenever I got the rims, basically there was a big old gap. And it wasn't as much of a gap with the 18-inch rims as I did, but there was still a gap. And now with these on, there's an even bigger of a gap. So that's why I went with the Steeda progressive lowering springs, because they're 1 inch on the back, it's a 1-inch drop, and then a 1.1 inch on the front. And if you look on the front, there's a bigger gap on the front than there is the back. So that basically, the way those lowering springs lower the car is gonna be perfect, actually. So this is a before. This is it. You can fit a gap in there. It's pretty good, especially when you park it out here and then the shadow comes over. It makes the car look a little bit ugly, but this is right here about the gap. On the back and then on the front, there's a little bit bigger of a gap. I just really want to make that go away, so it'll do it. And then yeah, so let me bring the springs out, let me show you what they look like, and then we're gonna go and install them. Okay, so here's the box that it came in. Steeda, speed matters. All right, let me go ahead and open her up, and then we'll see what's inside. Alrighty, so this is it right here. Cool. That's pretty weird how three of them are really heavily packaged and this one isn't. I'm not gonna go ahead and open it all the way. I just wanted to show y'all how it comes out the box. But yeah, these are it. Looks good. All right, so it is currently the next day, and I went to the shop, I got an appointment, and we are now warming up the car, and we're gonna go take it down there and get the springs installed. One more time, just to show, I'm gonna show the gap. So this is the before. That's the front. And then the gap right there on the back. So there we it's gonna be a before and after. So we're just gonna go. Let me show you the springs one more time in the trunk. All right, here they are. Right there, 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot wait to get them put on, and they match the color of the car. So, hey! All right. Let's go ahead and go down to the shop. Alrighty. I will see y'all down there. They made it a quality muffler and repair. Alright, we're gonna go in. That is a really nice C5 right there. It's beautiful. We're gonna go look at that. Alright, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go and see what they say. We're gonna put the car in the shop and get it installed. Alrighty. They took my keys. They're about to take her in. This is the last time we're gonna go see her like this. God, I'm excited. Now it's time to go home. Boy. Hello.
Did you see my parallel parking skills?
Mm-hmm. They look good.
3 days later.
Alright, so it's another day and I just got the call that the car got done. So we were about to go and we were about to pick up this car. Let's go. Copyright music.
I was listening to that.
Okay, but it's copyright. I mean, we're not gonna make any money off of it anyway because we're just started. But anyway, let's go pick up this car. I'm excited. All right, we are almost here. Let's see if we can see it. They park it outside. Please tell me they parked it outside somewhere. Oh. They park it outside somewhere.
There's a Corvette.
There's a Corvette. There's that C5 that we saw. Oh, you know the Mustang right there. He is turning left. Is it a GT? I don't know what it is. Oh, it's got 2 tailpipes. Yep, GT. Yep. Rev it! No? Okay. Let's see here. Where is she located? Not anywhere here. Wow. Okay, cool. All right, well, let's go find it. Someone drove it away claiming it was theirs. This is mine. Yeah, I'm here to pick it up. Oh no. I wonder if that's gonna be a problem for me. Oh, there she is. There she is. Oh my god. She's looking good. She's looking good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. They even left the windows down for me. I think this is mine. There goes the papers in there. Nice. Heck yes, boys. Heck yes. That is perfect. That is perfect. There's a cat that's been walking on it. Hey. Even the back looks good. Look at that. And then they did it right because the front looks lower by a little bit in the back, which is how the springs go on the Progressives. So 1 inch in the back, 1.1 in the front. All right, let's go pay for it. Alrighty, I just got the keys. I went ahead and paid for it. I'll show y'all. It was a little under 500 bucks with the alignment. So very good deal, very good deal. It's around what I was expecting. So let's go ahead and get that cold start. Hopefully it's a cold start, you don't know. I don't know. Now we gotta wait for this person to get up out the way so that we can actually back up. Who in their right mind back? All right. Well, I'll see when we get back home and then we can get a better look at it. Look at that right there, boy. That how many fingers can I fit in through there? Not even 2. Not even 2 fingers. All right. Not even 2. That's how it should have came. Sitting much lower. That's good. All right. So I brought it back home. And this is exactly what it looks like. This is where I parked it before we got it done, whenever I first did the video on it. And to be entirely honest, the whole car looks different. Like, it just sits different. Like, everything about it just sits different. I love it. I just love it. Right here in the front, look at this. I can barely fit 2. Barely fit 2, not even really. And then in the back, it's even closer. Look at that. Looks really, really good. I love the way it sits now. But yeah, that's the way it was, because the front sat really high, sat higher than the back. So now it looks about even right now, and looks good. Just sits differently. The entire car just sits completely different. There's a really good look to it. It's good. The ride seems a little bit more stiff. We went driving, and in the corners and stuff, if you go over a bump, you could definitely feel the bumps a little bit more, but it's nothing crazy. I mean, it's easily still a daily driver, easily. But yeah, look at that. She looks good. And then look, this is the space that you have in the front. There's still a lot of space compared to some other cars, but she sits good. Look at that. She sits clean. That's it. It was pretty good. Let me show you all the bill. All right. So this was it. So the labor was $439. I got an alignment with it, and I'll show you the alignment sheet with taxes, everything, shop supplies. It was $463 to get it installed, which isn't bad. I was expecting around $500. So this is the sheet right here. So as you can see, those were the numbers before, and this is it after. So a lot better. So yeah, I recommended an alignment. You know, they automatically recommended it to me whenever I got it done. And I was like, why not? Let's go ahead and get it done. But yeah, I think she sits great. It's just crazy. It might even be hard to tell on video, but it looks completely different now. Fully different.